Hello and welcome here at Silvertours. This is the meetup number 4 of our small but steadily growing group. For schedule, I will take about 5 minutes for our intro. Then I will hand over to Thomas and he will give you a short news show on what happened in the React Native community. And for the main part, Rafa will give you a talk on how to automate UI tests. As I said earlier, our group is steadily growing. So currently we are 197 members in our React Native Cologne group. Every time a meetup gets announced, we reach about 50 active members on average. We also have a React Native group Slack channel. Right now, 68 members across Cologne, Munich, and Berlin have so far joined. So feel free to join us. Thomas is doing a very good job in informing the community with some news about React Native, and maybe it's a good start to get involved in touch with all the other developers. We also have a demo app that Munich and Cologne are trying to develop cooperatively. Right now we have 6 contributors and already 18 stars. Feel free to contribute or ask or just have a look on how to implement Redux and stuff like this. If you are really eager into trying something out, just approach Thomas or me and we will figure out what task you could try to contribute to our app. And we need some speakers, also some topics. If you want to be a speaker, it can be a small talk, even a lightning talk for about 15 minutes. Just try to contribute to our group so that we can have additional meetups running across the year. It's also fine if you prepare some case studies or if you show us your project or your app. It can even be something only in React. It does not necessarily be something in React Native. Also, if you know a good speaker, just let us know. We'll try to approach him or suggest some topics. So if you're interested in, let's say, test-driven development or how to send push notifications to a React Native app, just give us a hint and we will try to organize a speaker or talks on ourselves. So, and one last thing, Thomas was very successful in Munich in creating some coding nights. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about them.
So essentially in Munich, we did several attempts. First with the React Native app, so basically just a demo app that we wanted to build step by step into a bigger app. And what we found out is that most people are just beginners in React Native. So who's a beginner here? And so basically, if you do it like that, then you end up in the installation loop forever. And so we decided to switch the model a bit and essentially just have people inside the same room having a small problem that you can solve in React Native with basic skills and just help each other, and no pre-scripted bigger plan to build something, because in the beginning you just have to learn. And the other thing we are doing right now is to have 2 rooms, one for more advanced people and one for beginner people. In Munich that can work, I think. I'm not sure if Cologne we have enough people for this, but who would be interested in a coding night in Cologne? So almost all of you.
So who is an advanced user of React Native and could act as a sparringspartner together with me or Thomas in this? Perfect.
Who would prefer a beginner night? Who would prefer something more advanced? Yeah, so like half. So yeah, we think about what we can do with this number of people. Of course, maybe more people will come or less people from this group. Essentially in Munich, it's an experiment. We joined with another group that's doing JavaScript coding nights. So there we had like 50 people attending for the coding night, and maybe we'll see if we can do the same in Cologne with some other groups that may be interested in hacking with React Native one night. All right. So should take the mic,
otherwise people won't. So we're recording this for those that couldn't attend, and we will put it on YouTube.